I got gold around my neck, that shit'll make you blink.
YouTube, what is up? What's good, you guys? It's the Boul. Hey, shout out to Boul Nation. Hope y'all feeling good, man. I know it's been a while since my last video, man. I've been doing a little traveling. I've been trying to get my life together. You know, I've been tired, but we're back, and why not come back with a nice clothing haul video? So I got packages from American Eagle, I got packages from Nike, and I got one box of shoes from Feature, like the website Feature. So let's get to it, cause honestly, man, my room get a little cluttered. Also, by the way, do y'all like this part down here, or like do y'all like more of the bun? Let me know. But I guess we start with the Nike stuff, cause for some reason Nike ship everything I got like individually, so it's kind of weird. So I guess we start with this because it's the from the top. But yeah, you know, like this shit everything like individually, like or like 5 things. I got 5 7 packages. I'm like, come on, bro. I think the room look like a damn warehouse. Alright, what's this? Okay. I'll see this. So Nike had a pretty good sale last week. So I kind of read the both. So like these are being like the fall. It was like cool outside. But first we got they wear joggers, of course. You know, this is a central here. You got the slim fit, regular tapered. Oh, slim fit, taper leg, regular length. Okay, there you go. Yeah, like. Because like me, like joggers or like sweatpants. I'm more like slim fit guy, and like I put like I like room around like my waist area, then like slim down legs. I don't know. That's me, that's my style. But this first one, I also like this for some reason too. Like I just call it like the ribbed thing. But I'm packing number one. That's what I think. Oh, that's what I take more rig, okay. And also, by the way, like all of the joggers gonna be like a medium, cause all like was stuff too baggy. But like I said, like I was like a little bit of room, so I'm more like look, I got like tights on and stuff. What's this? What are you? Ooh. I'm pretty sure these are the same pants. Yeah, they are. They're the same pants. They just in a black color. Like I said, man, like you gotta get essentials. You gotta get as a guy have some great sweatpants, and you also gotta have the black sweatpants as well. So, yep, medium. See, like this crazy, yo. This is the original price of this is $110. I clearly didn't pay $110 for this. Cause you know I ain't balling. Unless my YouTube blows up, when it blows up, or unless y'all want to be like get like this like join the channel, subscriber, pay a couple dollars, so we can do more things like this. You know what I'm saying? Get all the exclusives. Man, I can put all this stuff in the same package, yo. It's like a shirt. What are you putting? Shorts? Oh, shorts, okay. Nice. Okay. Got more like the, I need like these like the woven shorts. Yeah. Nike woven shorts. I actually like these because I actually got like a pair of these like in the green. Well, it's blue and green, but yeah. But I said like it's pretty similar to like this. So like you can kind of wear like these are kind of like casual, but you can wear like working out too. It's like that. And you probably use this like trunks too, cause it kind of got like that good trunks material. But no, I like these though. I'm pretty sure the Joe's probably come like a little bit above the knee, so that's gonna be good. So yeah, that's the haul so far. This one's kind of a little heavy. Okay, I know what this is. And this one I actually like though. Ooh, wow, this is heavy. Okay, so this is a Nike Crew, but yo, this is like look at this, yo. This is like a really thick material. Like this is gonna keep you warm in the fall, winter for sure. And I really like the color on this. Like it's really like it's kind of like a different color. Like it was like a mint green, I think, kind of, or like a. No, I don't want to say forest green. Forest green is probably a little darker than this, but no, this jaw right here is crazy. Yeah, like this will be great for the fall winter time. You just throw this on. Like I can throw that on with some joggers, I throw it on with some jeans, and be straight. And then the last package came in a regular box. I'm gonna do my scissors. Okay. All right. I had to bring out the scissors. Yes, sir. Open this, John. Oh, there we go. Hey, yo, the regular prices on these jobs are crazy. Everything like 110. But no, this is no different than we got a band. We got another like pretty thick. We got a hoodie though. This is like the Nike SB hoodie in a brown colorway. Like I said, man, like I never have been trying to get more different colors because I can't get this like black, gray, blue, like those kind of colors. So I'm trying to experiment with like this different color stuff. So we got a brown, we got like a green. Well, the jogging stuff are the same colors normally, but yeah. So that's my Nike haul. So next, I got a couple things from American Eagle. First, this is kind of different. I got it's like a at least called like a trekker short. So both the knee, kind of like a different color, different kind of vibe. I don't know, like I said, like I don't know, it's just different. Plus, like I don't know, I feel like these gonna look good though. I probably like had like a kind of like a little like preppy look with these, but the knee, and it might have like some like I don't know, like all white like Stan Smiths or something like that. So that's how I feel about those. And then next we got a couple pair of jeans. Go with these first. Got a nice light wash denim. 3630 skinny. Yeah, this is a regular pair of jeans, but I don't know, like I don't know. I really like American Eagle jeans. Like they don't really just fit me. They fit me well. They look good, and I guess pretty affordable. But I said jeans are expensive nowadays, so yep. And then gotta get a classic pair of all black jeans. Pretty much same thing, same size, skinny, 3630, all black. Can't go wrong with all black pair of jeans. Pretty much go with everything that you will want to wear with it. You can probably wear with it. So that's a quick little American Eagle thing with that. And last but not least, we got the pair of sneakers. Last but not least, we got the pair of sneakers. I got a hell of a cycle, bro. That looks like. But as I can see, got a Nike box, standard Nike box, size 11. Size 11, and man, this is a pair of shoes I've been trying to get forever and ever. Dunk Low Pandas. My, oh my, bruh. Finally, after countless restocks, after countless attempts trying to get this shoe, I have been on Twitter. A little, I don't know, like a little, I'm not sure I can see this, but it's like a little crease right here. That's interesting. Probably a little toe box creasing, but yeah, man. So kind of like a deal on Twitter. I was able to hop on and get it and actually get it delivered. So I'm just so excited to get that shoe because after a while I'm like, man, I'll get this. But sure enough, opportunity came up and I was able to get them, my size too. So I'm gonna definitely give these a good rock for the rest of the summer. And that's really all I have. My rules and mats. I got boxes. I got packages. So I got a lot of recycle. I got to stay the planet. Temperature's been rising crazy over everything. So oops, my bad. Oh, oops. Yep. But yeah, like temperature's been rising and stuff. So I got to stay the planet. I gotta be the people's champion though. Got help the world. But as always, like the video, give a thumbs up. Comment you want to see any more haul videos or any other kind of review video. Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you next time.